Hey everyone! Sorry it's been so long. Ovo će biti jedna kratka lekcija. This is going to be a short lesson in which we're going to talk about using the words near and far. For a start, imagine you're asking a friend if they're nearby and if they would like to drop by. Nearby is BLIZU and to drop by is svratiš. Jesi li blizu? Are you nearby? Or just jesi blizu? Blizu can also be used to mean close to something, but there would be no to. We do not use a preposition with BLIZU. We just use a noun or a pronoun in genitive. For example, BLIZU kuće, close to home. BLIZU mosta, close to the bridge. It doesn't have to be a physical object. You could say BLIZU rješenja, close to a solution. So let me repeat. BLIZU, near, takes nouns in genitive without any preposition. DALEKO, far, far away, also requires nouns to be in genitive, but this one does need a preposition, and a specific one, od, from. There is a saying, out of sight, out of mind. Daleko od očiju, daleko od srca. The Serbian one literally translates into far from eyes, far from heart. Let's see some more examples. Daleko od kuće, far from home. Daleko od toga, far from that. Daleko od mene, far from me. How about far from here? Daleko odavde. Odavde, from here. That's one word. Imagine you want to ask if the bank is far from here. Je li banka daleko odavde? Let's see where else we can use the preposition od, from. Od sutra počinjem da učim. I'm going to study starting from tomorrow. The expression I wasn't born yesterday translates into nisam ja od juče. Literally, I am not from yesterday. Odakle means where from. Odakle ti karte? Where did you get the tickets? From. Dobila sam ih od drugarice. I got them from a friend. Od čega is what from. Od čega ćeš sladoled? What flavor ice cream do you want? Literally, what do you want your ice cream from? Od vanile I lešnika. Literally, from vanilla and hazelnut. Okay, back to near and far. You try. Say, my house is close to the sea, and sea is more. Moja kuća je blizu mora. Now, think about how you would say, let's run away far from everything. The words you're gonna need are to run away, that's pobeći. Everything is sve. And let's, you say hajde da. So let's run away far from everything. How would you say that? This was probably a little tricky. Let's run away implies it's us, we, who should run away, so first person plural. So hajde da requires present tense of the desired verb in first person plural. So specifically here, hajde da pobegnemo. Hajde da pobegnemo daleko od svega. And for the end, here's a little phrase that I'm curious whether other languages have too. Daleko bilo. Daleko bilo. This translates into may it be far away. And it is used when talking about something bad to sort of banish the evil spirits that might bring the misfortune that is being mentioned. For example, you talk about a hypothetical scenario where you are missing an arm and say, zamisli daleko bilo da nemaš ruku. Imagine, may it be far, that you didn't have an arm. That's all, folks. Happy studying!